다들이야 다 가자 뭔도 주변에 시에 지 가져오다 최체바디 가져오다지 최체아디 아니 다다네베 가져오다 dento디니도 산에라도 튠디니도 산에라도 다간다 다다라네베 군주 최고야지다 아니 냠레 최고야지 레마도베 다디 에네베 치슈시네 아니 선인능이 제제 근데 제비미나 아니 최야버지 가져오다 람주도 말했사디 딱히 좀 차대요.
As we discussed yesterday, when we are practicing the Dharma, we need to practice the Dharma from now. It's as it said, we need to do it on this seat, in this very session. It's right now that we need to begin the Dharma. It's right now that we need to practice the Dharma. If we postpone it, if we think to ourselves, I'm going to do it tomorrow or the next day, then we will not be able to really practice the Dharma well. And so it is important to understand this.
다대한 디난 칠 녀송 동에라 이마치베 미기와 첨부체발은 남미 동에 미종 가존주 코아의 님이 주세야 마통은 된 타시에를 미지 실쇼 대나 디베라는 녀버시는 소라법에 제바 가르시 대한 기디 군제 마시벨레바인 대나 디산 타바 민뢰베 타바 주바베 유중전의 왕체 총와 해점을 저와체 군내진의 미통신의 체외 저와는데 개외 초라 주주 체바라 촉수 송네 지보다 롱덤 체바라 니진 제네 지겐라 对他见满对呢玉美这一面别人多老月的鱼头有我说马文把它顺起傻傻的现了劲你这了鸟把几次劲超赢
As it says here, generally people do not believe in the suffering of the lower realms. So they decide that great acts of non-virtue will not ripen as suffering. They do not see any faults at all in samsara, and thus waste their entire lives for the sake of a few paltry sensory pleasures. If they knew how misdeeds would harm them, it is hardly possible that they would commit them, even at the cost of their own lives. The fault is not knowing the causes and results of virtue and misdeeds. So these days, instead of accomplishing liberation, people who do not want to be liberated try to become an influential loudmouth in some small place. Even in a monastery, they put effort into being more visible than anyone else. They think that they have been diligent enough about virtue, but are able to spend all day and all night fornicating and speaking meaninglessly. They do not want to cut the ties to the world and call everyone who knows nothing to them. They make connections, try to impress people with wealth or high status, and suspect those lower than themselves of criticizing them. Only after hoarding things for themselves will they give them to others. Such people are called lunatics with rigid spines.
세상에 가장 땅랑 섬주를 가장 뭐 쉬는 시에 최체 스두산에 아니 신나 밴드 가져다지 미스 셴차스게 유기 말에 조다 기디 랑도로 차디 기디 랑도로 추신 차들이야 안 최체 쓰가래서
It is as I said yesterday, my opinion is that when we talk about practicing the Dharma, then there's really nothing else to do. But really, Dharma primarily is doing what is good and giving up what is bad. That is what practicing the Dharma is.
다 기디기 란도 체고나 다 기디기 균제 모셰고 야래 유칸 사발 데네 다 가쇼지 드부 상부당 드부 대원 주고 예바 유칸 사발 데네 드부 냐바다 동행 중고 예바 다 모셰고 야래.
And so, if we are going to practice virtue and give up misdeeds, then we first need to know what the causes and the results of misdeeds and virtues and misdeeds are. And so, we need to be we need to understand what are the results of when we do virtue. What are the results? How is it that good results come from them and pleasure comes from them? And likewise, we need to know how the results of wrongs are bad results and painful.
참 아주 뒤즈만 셀이야 가르쳐줘다. 오늘은 true sort of happiness 말베다. 디기 오마다 디 퇴행기 디기를 디 가는 중요해디 아주 시랑 고마스지. 디제당 고마스바당 ane jikashwe samlu tonda no rujin ji yebe insa tigi kadui ne ngaso de kange so de yadas.
But most of the time, we don't really know what true happiness is. We don't know what genuine happiness is, and we don't understand it. Because we do not understand what true happiness is, or we have an incorrect way of thinking about it. Because of that, often we experience many difficulties.
When that is not during you say more materialism, somewhere with that, chingwe kashureda dushi sanandado tower of the shushimish chayungore. 제가 미마부지기 가르친 거 알았으나 칭외벽이 차겐다 내기 비숨 사버릇이 충분히 이미나 안 아주 되게 용거래 삼으로지 퇴용함에 되게 토고래 기본 용거래 삼으로지 미상에 버지 딘데르 텐디게 알아 제가 디톨라 emphasis 삼으로 디톨라베 저와체 디톨이야베 소수에게 룽아 예수 군리버데 뿡는 조여래.
And so these days, in the 21st century, you can say it's a very materialist time. And so most people have the idea that external things, or the belief that external things will bring them happiness. So most people think that because of the conditions or because of external things, that will bring them the situation they need and the happiness, and that will lead them to the true happiness. That will bring them to the real meaning. And so many people then, thinking in this way, they put their emphasis on this. They like combine all their powers of their body and speech in this direction.
The material somewhere that's chingwebi 가수다 자기 가지지기 배 망아 충미면 대지지기 소소 가수다지 disturbed somewhere 다바지 다들 별게라 자지 라심 한다 나 가수지 소소 아니 지기 녀가 살로 알아 지당 다나시 자와 살로 알아 뭐 비즈니스만 들을 줄 알아 안 다나신기 소수기 탐배지 소수 운에 전에기 정신기 natural 유유서만 받아지 소수 정신 뭐만 되다 안 타린도린도를 줘야지 예 타마를 유산은 즉 소수 운에 전에지 가리면 대발라 다나시 미유 가리면 대지 가르쳐지 세버로 좀 매우 차지 invisible 차지 드리지기도 소소엘라 소소미유데라 드리지네 간다 상황으로 안 되어지 용되도 참을 라면시 디스비에서는 드리지요
But when we have material things, when we think about external things or external facilities, then the more we have of these, then the more disturbances we have, the more difficulties we have. Things get more and more problematic. We have more and more busyness. And so what happens then is that it's like we lose ourselves, we lose our nature, what really is there. That becomes like we lose that. And in the end, we've lost everything that we have, and we end up also losing any aims that we might have had. They become unclear and indistinct. They become invisible to us. And so eventually what happens is that we lose ourselves, and we lose our aims, and we end up just losing everything.
다디 윤제 때에다 미카시지기 가르쳐다 지 팅상 지 가르쳐 미카시지기 spiritual part 다디 지 가르쳐 스템라 남주기 가서 총계를 난거 초화를 비게 되면요 스템은 디기를 비시다 용매 비치 스템리아 안에 가르쳐다 가르쳐 쿠르 전부 용대 비치 pressure som을 쿠르 전부 용대 비치 용기에 인상 에너지자 spiritual part 를 체체 그 최 som을마다 지든데가 랑가르 체하기 되니 지금 알 것이 다이면 되게 최체하되 진로 마셔비미나 가상 쉬는시 최체하되 지 람로스여르 지 대신 드라마도베 소소기 다 남주에서는 다도 다 wisdom som을마다 지든데가 또한 비주얼 당시에 가더라 가르쳐에 진짜 제모도 비미나 안 참선은 최 코란로 spiritual materials 심성마르다지 최니 인디아를 지리 안 대고야지 가르쳐에 봐야 지지된베 아주 남균기야 material som마르 응어불이야 칭어불이야 되게 제대로는 신지기 예, 최저 냠는 자대 양 디그 가르쳐지 초원으로 참 신체 딱 간다 디 셈이야 쉽지게 지편도 용대야 지당 다나 신기 에네 셈의 시디 에 드린투야데 가버르 지금엔 로성도
And so for that reason, many people these days think that they need to find some sort of a spiritual path. They feel like living in their cities and towns that they're not happy or they aren't able to find satisfaction. And so they feel like they need to they feel like living there's more pressure on their minds. There's like this burden that that weighs on them. And so they feel like they need to search for some sort of a spiritual path. And so they look for a spiritual path, or they look for the path of Dharma. But when they want to practice Dharma, then they don't know how to practice the Dharma. It's as I was saying yesterday. It's like it becomes a custom, and then they're unable to use their own intelligence, or you could say they're unable to use their own wisdom. And so when that happens, then the Dharma becomes for them, it becomes like spiritual materialism. And it's like something that they need for themselves. They think of it just in the same way that they think of external things, and they think that they need to practice the Dharma in order to help themselves. They pretend that Dharma is going to help them, but in this situation, it is difficult for it to bring any peace into their minds.
제사 단디나는 소문난시 최진이만되네 지주된바나 현대계 인간의 쇼와 니네 가게난로 자와체계 제세네 미곰콤 밀레블레 미타르타르망보체 가나친게 타주 일로게 뒤메 가르친서 자녀니 자조르지기 링네 제스미르체 최베 소레 미지게 되네 거에단 배자다 최샤 내자 저리를 저와되네 rango korwe shola shengu shugi rengshugi kor tambe chue mi jena rangla phaptop gi lama da gindun ki tsendibe tuyala ji tatar chene ginyom la gyadang kwe da namda se chagu chituk lenro rangi cheyu gi chosam nor yoba ngolu wa debu chir gyagar doji dendon ro la tsikme
So as it says here, they don't want to practice dharma from their hearts. So when they are taught how, they get lost in the distracting circumstance of talk about benefiting others. Or else they say that they don't have the time and have to go someplace or have to do such and such a thing. They never come, they're never free, yet they do many things. Wherever they go, they never make up their minds. Anywhere they go, they divide people into friends and enemies in less time than it takes to make tea. They want to spend their lives looking like Dharma practitioners, so they go to great lengths to get robes, texts, ritual items, thrones, and a gathering of monks. In the process of fooling themselves, they automatically deceive others. They never remember the true Dharma, but use whatever Lama or Sangha they happen to get as freely as they wish for the sake of this life, using up all their food, clothing, and time in laziness. They go around touching foreheads. They would have no problem going to Bodh Gaya in India in order to deceive friends that they are attached to or those who have wealth.
chanju sembe the nyamler chi ye nga chanju sembe yinza lamsan ji kashwe ji chanju sembe chebar chene shenduen be lamsan ji kashwe da physically to ne de char ngen ya chanju sem se du zo de an chanju sembe yimi sa de so su simgyulia an chanju ge sem luwa me ba ji manor moju ji ge do mi do da debe 개치슈르지 녜랴 나주베 콤바 담버지마소네 디체과르지 레디 삼자랑 아주야 데디 쇼라르지 야지 지 람사 가르베 제주스베 매 다되야들이야 아주 대화르지 랑제 에네 남사지 체과나르 샤데르지 용디야레 다나 신기 아주지 상아 쉐르 체비나 다나 신데다 physical rituals amara ta digidliya be kas lamsa ji te yabur start diar dilia ji kasre zwan de ngone tne gi sanga gi be girim da zorim gi nyamne ro dilia ati shordur ji tangse de ro de ar dile chabi mina energy spiritual kasre de materialism sort of chache and tamara dusane te quran rai andar kasre ji ngolbo tönyerb지 마도베기 지 룽아기 차와 tönyerb지 야나 카치데기 쳬르지 마도베 안 카낭도 초네 소수기 다시 녀몰이야 녀보 지 조예메 다나시 수수셈 뉘예메 다나신기 가수에다 삼바상도 친예메사로 딘디질이야 진장으로 이렇게 텔레 딘디질이야 펜도르게 마중세 아니 베 룽아게 차와디기디 지 야게 당데 버지 마도베 메데버지 때 딘데 차비미나 아니 지 spiritual materialism som어로다 최 지규되는 쉐에 버지랴 대야지 치다 룽아섬 치다 응어버섬으로베 남교 다 딘지 된드니야 잠실이야 ronroyaga nyanga yedebachi imbare so imra
And so what this is saying is that sometimes when we practice Dharma, we think that we need to show some sort of external or physical sign of it. We need to actually do something for the benefit of others. We need to show something. But so we think, oh, I'm doing the practice of a bodhisattva. I'm a bodhisattva, so I need to actually do something to physically help someone else. But with bodhicitta, the primary thing about bodhicitta, and whether it is or isn't bodhicitta, depends upon, with a bodhisattva, the primary thing about a bodhisattva is really whether in their mind they have the true undeceiving bodhicitta, the unmistaken and unconfused bodhicitta, undiluted bodhicitta within their mind. Really, that undeceived bodhicitta within our mind is the first thing that we need to take care of. But most people do that on the side, and first they try to put on the show of the signs of being a bodhisattva, and try to act out being. That's a physical thing. It is the same with the secret mantra Vajrayana. We pay a lot of attention to the rituals. We think that we have to show something or learn how to do the recitations or something. And when we do the recitations, we recite the rituals, but whether this is actually the true creation phase or completion phase of the secret mantra is something that is only coming on the side. And so when we sort of fall into that direction, then it really becomes the spiritual materialism. It's like we think that it's like a thing that we need to have, an external material thing that we need to have. It is the action of our body and speech. This is practicing Dharma when we're focusing outside. But instead, what we need to do is we need to turn our attention inwards, and we need to see whether what we're doing is functioning as an antidote for the afflictions or not. We need to see whether we are taming our mind or not. We need to see whether our mind is improving, getting kinder or not. But if we don't look at that, if we don't look in that way, then there's no benefit to do this. And so then it becomes something that we're merely doing with our bodies and speech. And the moment that happens, then this becomes spiritual materialism. And so really when what we need to do is, we think that we're trying to do the Dharma, but actually we are just doing external things with our body and speech. We are like making a show with our body and speech. We are putting on appearance in this way. And that is really all that we are taking interest in.
이래 다지 디가레스나 미지기 코랑 사발이야 최체대 유 삼제 안 코라 gebde yores 디 최대는 코라 gebde yores 다바 지메시지 때 시행문도다 최대는 코라 gebde yores 안다 가담베 게베시니지 페이지 안 교란데 가르치데 유스 컨티넨두스탄 당합 최체대 유스 코라 gebde 디 최체대 유스라 어다 디 교랑 디 코라갸데 야보레 디 이네야 단동베 최남다지 제비나 야보레스 다데 순레스 그래서 뭐 예베 코라갸데 최원에데 이자마레 디 마임바지 제고 최원에 디 마임바지 차유서레 섬제 땅고 지삼로 단지 안디 제마 양고 가르쳐서 베제 데브르 마스베 지기 베제 데지 데브르스 베제 데브르 사르브지 아르다 야 딘데지 디소르지메 다가 지메지 신문도 다가 디스바 스웨산 좀죠 다 베제 데지 데브르스 아니 베제 데지 데류사네 아니 야 당기다는 시간에는 그런 가시스 아베 최신데스 교란 베스타데 알레디 나 단동베 최남다 시나 야버레스 아 디제들에 야지유 양코 딱 오네 최자데 베스타데 있어만다 최시스 오네 곰자데 있으레 섬치 아고 곰르 지 갑단으로 지세제 데브레스 아야 가던 베게시니 디베지 근데 주산에 교랑 같이 되어스 근데 주산에 한국가 최시 되어스 다리다 고디스 지기 한 뽑아를 치장 오늘 최시 되어스 안 가다면 계신이 양조 교랑비 공자대 아버레스 이는 텔레 최 남다 시나 야그레스 야그르다 순두산 안다 베데코베 고베제 당원에 최 남다를 근데 제고야나스 배 망보 남주 미주 제대하듯 최인 제대하듯 상원을 최래면서 다 간대를 제고야나 삼바르지 하나 전제 다 진짜 기지죠래 다 간다야 재상 아주 지 최제스도 사는 망보지기 삼례 나로리아 디소로 지다 대다 초충부터지 망보지 삼례 나로리아 디르 지용디 요래 다 진짜 지단 진짜 요래디 임비네 룽아 개조사디 요래디 임비냐 다 조조지确是松马松沙的做的，确跟这几样是两百一年的，人有给他牛毛对为年不了松马松当，那几新旧节为年不了松嘛，新旧人就我当土原面，这里啊大起来嘛到被先去那么就被上不如几当，大那先给가서다 지기 냠 되버르지 근데질이야 아니 최레스 랍토야르스 매버르지 근데 디 규제 때문에 한 근데 토하냐 가서야지 투섬 셰 과데 계스미르 짐자
There's a story about Kadampa, great Kadampa master. Maybe many of you have already heard this story. So the story is that once there was a man who thought to himself, I need to practice Dharma. So what am I going to do to practice Dharma? And he thought to himself and he decided, I'm going to go circumambulate a stupa. So he went and he was circumambulating the stupa. And while he was circumambulating the stupa, this Kadampa spiritual friend, Geshe, came by, and the Geshe asked him, well, what are you doing? And he replied, oh, I'm practicing the Dharma. I'm circumambulating the stupa. And the Geshe, the Kadampa Geshe, replied to him, oh, that's very good. But if you were to practice some true Dharma, that would be even better. And so the man thought to himself, oh, what does that mean? That must mean that maybe circumambulating stupas isn't really true Dharma practice, and I need to do something different. So what can I do? He thought to himself. And he thought to himself, and then, I'm not sure if I'm getting this quite right, so maybe I'm making it up, but he thought to himself, okay, I'm going to read and study texts. And so he was sitting there reading the text, studying, and as he was reading and studying, then the same Kadampa master came by and asked him the same question. Oh, what are you doing? And he thought to himself, oh, I'm practicing the Dharma. I'm really practicing the Dharma. I'm reading and studying right now. And then the Kadampa master said to him the same thing. He said, oh, that's very good. But if you were to practice some true Dharma, that would be even better. And so this man was thinking to himself, okay, circumambulating is not practicing the Dharma, and reading texts must also not be practicing the Dharma. So what can I do to practice the Dharma? Oh, meditating, that must be the thing that I need to do to practice the Dharma. And so he sat there as if he's meditating, and he's sitting there meditating. The Kadampa master comes along and asks him again, oh, what are you doing? He said, now he was really confident in himself this time. I'm practicing the Dharma, I'm meditating. And then again, the Kadampa master said to himself, it's wonderful that you're meditating, but it would be even better to practice some true Dharma. And so now this man is wondering to himself, what is it that I can possibly do? All of the things that he normally thought of as being Dharma practice are not actually the true Dharma. So what is the Dharma practice? And so I think normally when we think about practicing the Dharma, we think about it like this. Now, of course, there are physical and verbal things that we do. We can do spiritual things with our body and speech. But the question in terms of whether it actually is the Dharma or is not, the main matter is when we are doing Dharma practice is this working as an antidote for our afflictions or is it not? Is this something that is taming our stream of mind, or is it not? That is what we need to pay attention to. But instead, we often look at our external expression of this, our external appearance, and we try to look as good as we could. We try to appear as good, as if we have this experience as much as we can. But we aren't really practicing the Dharma. And so this is something that is very important for us to contemplate and reflect upon.
다 아주 가리면 당 아주 easy 레라데 레라부 추는 아주 한번 가봐요 봐 칼라 하버디 가두이네 지 칼라 하버도 치제 제자 레라부를 준비는 아주 레라 제자 미망부지게 룽아가 자데디스 레라를 줘라 다 고치 제샤르지 비게 미드엔샤르 지에 인상 아니 지 가르스베다 가리네지 되사된 저기 relatively somewhere 레라를 줘래 다 셈니 지 제어를 수도 있다디 지 소수지 제나마도 미신다게 될이야 미세 가르스베다 교랑아 지하든 드마송다 라야를 시다메야 되지 다 소수의 경우에는 다 자지도 제제 제아를 마도 미신다게 니베지를 납해서 kana khamre 제가 배 소수의 full responsibility 이렇게 고를 받아 개연조 소수 고를 마도 미신다 니베지 고도 많아 이나 류가를 요아 땅바참 시기 미딘 요아 미기다 personal identity somewhere 그러나 미人心 세란자 미디 시가도 요아 땅 도요 류가 넘주 강상상 된 초래 가지고지 act 제제배 넘규루 다 예비나 personal identity somewhere 지 미디 시감 미디 정신 미디베 신이베 요아동고예비미나 시작하라는 요아동고예비나 다른 요아동고로서나 미디 삼동당 미디 지 글론케당 다나시 미디 다외 개소로 되게 요아동고야를 쳐요래 된 요아마당 봐도 미딘 교와 마동 받을지 미딘 공마다라지 대대버지 룽아 같은 교와 땅비네 미딘 공마 라자라지 인데버지 차로로 봐 근데 이 군센터 당 아주지 최 냠는 제스도 가르쳐 버렸으나 교와 동사다 가르쳤으나 미디 시가 미코랑 시전에다 교와 동과 알지 대 가르쳤으나 아주에게 다지 셈리아 다다 하나 등에 대시
So what we normally think, or maybe you all will agree with this, but at any rate, my opinion is that what we all really like is we like the things that are easy. We like easy things, things that are simple. And things that are difficult, they're always hard, they're always difficult. So we like the easy things. And it's easier to work with our body and speech. When we work with our body and speech, there's something to show of it. We've got something that can be seen. And so for this reason, it is relatively easier to do. But when we work with our minds, and working with our minds, we do something with it, but other people can't really judge what we have. They can't say what we have done or not. And so the only one who can really judge what is happening is ourselves. Because of that, we each have to take individually, we have to take the full responsibility on ourselves. We have to carry the entire burden ourselves, and there's no second person whom we can turn to or who can help in this. when we do things with our body and speech, then it's not like that's our personal identity. It's not like our character or anything. We can change. It's just an act, something that we are doing. But if we really want to change our character, if we want to change our identity or change our nature, if we want to change ourselves in some sort of a fundamental way, what is it that we actually need to change? What we actually need to change is the way we think about things. We need to think about how we develop motivations. We need to change our entire our belief systems. And so that is what we need to change. Until we change that, until we change those, then there's no way you can say that, oh, that person has really changed. You can do many different things and change your body and speech, but still be the same person, have the same character. And so when we do practice and we do Dharma practice, we want to have some sort of a change, then what we really want to change is we want to change our character. We want to change the fundamental way that we are.
인삼 지라지 마치 데다 탱고하스케요 인지 미지 가수에다 수 두부십지 인삼 탱고하지 게요 만다디 대 두자레샤 두부십지 인삼 탱해야지 다 임비냐 소소리야게 동아야 되지 지디스 가수에 만당웨기 다 가수에 지 차르 주에 되지 야게 동아야 되지 퍼지 소소 물레를 장마 채고 알으시래 원해서 따디 물레를 장마 채비네 아니 신내지 야게 동도 용거로 이내 가수디 가수 물레 채ade 다 소소기 다 간다 바 만당의 차 교육이 차로 디디 디디지야데 물레 채ade 아주지 가수를 가버지 용리도 와 드리 인두산의 대균센데네 다 간다 가수에 다 가리네 지디스 가라 하버시도
So we need to change our own nature. We need to improve. We need to bring it in a good direction. We need to make our nature or our character better. But this is often extremely difficult for us to do. And the reason that it's difficult for us to do is that most of us think to ourselves, "I'm pretty good." And so we think I'm pretty good. We don't really think to ourselves, I'm bad. Of course, actually, there's no reason to think to yourselves, I'm bad. And there's no need to think about that. And even thinking of yourself as being bad is in itself a harmful thing. But we need to improve ourselves, and when we need to improve ourselves, then we need to recognize those areas within ourselves that we need to clean up, those areas that we need to improve. And so only when we recognize those areas, and then begin to clean up those areas that we need to improve, only at that time do we begin to improve ourselves. But usually we don't really identify those areas where we lack something or where we have problems. It's difficult for us to recognize these, and so it becomes a difficult situation for us all the way around.
제가 미망부 뒤에 위나 继续给说当俺儿这么不写呢居民经过哟你这钱的让觉了么里上班的差为居民都呢个语图之间如果显露这个的你看到如果显露的你看到
In the middle of large groups of people, they say many impressive things about the public good, fooling people with no experience. There is not even a moment when the thought occurs to them that such behavior is not good. Compassionate Kajus, the practiced lineage of those who naturally have revulsion, think of them.
남규이 미나 가수에다 아주 다대 줬어. 제가 다들이야. 배나 나랑 춘춘 거두잖아요. 나랑 춘춘 거리야. 에너지 가수에다. 대 쿠류 스마르 다시 나랑 춘춘 거리야. 춘춘 거리야. 샤르브 사디 와래. 다 드네 야갈레다 다다 샤스 서야 마네 마음을 가차라고 가시 다 드네 세드산 지진에 고 다이미네 지 가수에 가르레스나 팅사야 가르사 바요 가르사 지세즈도아 베나 랑셰 디 치리 베기 가수에 man-made so much with the langsha suene langgo sema goche langsha suash do 제상 가상 미지 알아졌어 마오 발라디니 랑고 sema 고바 langsha sua지 체리비 미세베 langsha de sueona 디디 그냥 langsha 수임에서 디디에 상무당기 인사죠 다이미는 게 샤면서 랑고스에마서 지비셔도 인기 말이 진짜 대모임 버지 유에 삼사로지 되다 정도다 제상 간다 디 제상아 추주거든스다네 미세디 교인 이렇게 신고 말이 다드네 야갈레 지두산 샤방사고 균제르디 수수 균제르 통지 샤방스두산 다티산 고바익스머버다지 뭔가 대비 니수일 삼탄인데서 바데 가르 티가고 미디다 대기 거기다 샤사데 샤상게 차네다 배드 가르소지 교화친데 버르지 the personal de ben 교화친데 버르지 네비타니고 세자다 조조디 균제 삼탄지 소수기 지 미진앙기 냠뇽레 다나신 양타베 균제는 삼탄지 아니 소소리아 아니 가수야지 리베 차트서 공배도 당과야지 다디지 조조지 소소소소리아 최답지 소소소리아 라브지 geb신 줘야지 마도베 데 미니버시기 교란을 야본디지 교란을 두잔디레스체 미니버시기 랍투야데 깔라하보샤데 지당다 고르 가수에 로봇체도레 마도베 문에 자네기지 상당 연기베 현재하디 소수치아지레 마도베기 다디 미니버지 제토야디 깔아갑시다레 제상 디균센데네 에너지 가수에 소수면에 다디 가수 리니기 등진차과디 계심시다레샤
And so, like for an example of this, when I was young, when I was young at that, then I ate meat. Then when I came to India, I stopped eating meat. In the future, who knows what's going to happen? I stopped eating meat. I was vegetarian.
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
If I misspoke, excuse me. I stopped eating meat. In the future, whether I'll eat meat or not, who knows? These days, they tell me there are these scientists who are growing cow meat in the laboratory so that you can have a steak without having to butcher a cow. And so in the future, people are going to ask me, are you going to, when they have a steak that you can eat without killing a cow, are you going to eat that sort of meat? And this is something I say, I'll have to think about it. I think maybe it won't really be quite the same as actually eating meat. At any rate, when I was young, I really didn't know the problems. I didn't know the faults of eating meat. Then when I came to India, I began to learn the reasons why you shouldn't eat meat. And so when I was thinking about this and then thinking about the faults and the reasons that I then was able to make the change. And so so in this perspective, in terms of whether I eat meat or not, there has been a change, a personal change in me in terms of eating meat or not. And so the main thing in terms of changing ourselves is that we need to think about the reasons. We need to contemplate and reflect on the reasons. And we need to think about this in terms of the experiences that we have in this life, as well as the good, strong reasons that we have. And when we do that, then we can really, we need to do that in order to be able to improve or increase the qualities that we have within ourselves. So this is something where we need to talk about it with ourselves. We need to give ourselves advice about doing this. It's not really a case where some other person can come up to Sade and say, okay, this part of you is good, this part of you is not so good. This is, of course, they can help you to to see what is good or bad, but the person who really can tell and distinguish what's good and what's bad in yourself is yourself. We have to distinguish this individually, and it's difficult for any other person to tell you. And so for that reason, it's something that we need to recognize within ourselves. And so it is really important for us to really examine ourselves to see what is good and what is not.
제상 딱 오늘 지내지 다된 점물인디 고 가수에다 아주지 information errors 말하면 되지 채팅이 뒤로를 지미 인자 나 상으로 비주지지래 대타녀를 차 저번 타녀를 차디요래 디윤전 때네 아는 아주 지 점링기 에네 교다 편주 안지 심지 편주 지기지리야 배 가수에 지를 찍되 임베지당 지를 찍 되네 예데버디 임베디 세버시라 차디요래 제산 디준전 때네 아는 아주 가수에 지 소수기 리니에기 점불리야 가수 인플루언스 somewhere 슈게노 간제테기 예버디 세르세르로디야네 individual somewhere 미 게르바치기 에네 자주 리니엘 때네 점불리야 페뉴긴 잡아 주부 예버디 고 세르세르로디야네 Today we use then azu lineadi azu michi lineadi ane paji zambulingi lineada 가져에 점불링기 가져다 디두당 제바 탐소를 차대야지 이미 인상 디균전 때네 아는 가져지 소수 링에 빠제 차기 가져 균전디 배 가져 띵섭도 줘야지 단 자차를 줘야지 어디 디셉샤데시 드리 인주산에 땅만은 게 마음이 잘해 아주 좋아미디 초진에 아주 너무 상계배기 최고 중로 나네 미생게 자천부를 precious human lives 아주 미르좀 보체 에베 가서 배에고네 니가와 장이고네 니가와 다망부시야요 다이네 미망부시 tinsan zombuling tolia mi changé chajugi ngemba begarwe mi lenge chabuji mangbu saye bi inzang mi mangbu samle nalo mi saadi dujaji mi saadi xianan chabuji zombuling dilia kashuda 배 풍주 치슈르데 미인데 버지 근데 지 전화 용디 하래 제상 삼삼 미디링 알 저링도 따데 겨안주 나버 상계비 미디 자심 있어도 하시 아니 미디 간데도 저블링 탈레베 녀라 성에 메리도 어디 간데 자심 버렸어 밀류 림보치 자심 마더 림보치 디데 가르소데 녀가를 뭐 하서 야르스 다 드네 인두스탄에 디균센데네 제상 아주기 지기 밀류 다 오늘 시나다 자첨부 인데 다 우토두스탄에 우토두 다 렌시라게 하면은 신다게 야다 오늘 저는 자첨부 인데 람로 먹요레서 하듯이 다 드네 시나마도 미세 가수에다 시야 메데버르지 제상 아주 시제 차네 나솔레베 상행기베 가수에다 간달 상행 섬르베 체다 풀이야 상보는 하버도 체기 상당히 좀이 풀이야 에너지 상당히 컨디션 거 딘디지 삼로 동하기 뉴버르지 아주 밀리아레 이미랑 아주 미 디렉 삼동아 뉴버디 배주 로봇단제 소수기 장된 버시기 체도 배주 당과 인상 에네 디 강에 풍주의 방법이 용대야를 지용되게 하래 제가 디균센된 땅 아주 강에 쉽시 체리가 저블링 돌이야 강에 쉽시 체리가 하래 우만디슬라가 총 저블링 돌이야 아주 남기 다다 시다 톰다 지 현안 사버리 지가 하래 틸리 고로 가르쳐야지 그 킬로미터 가시 가르쳐 산에 용구예비는 지 차선지를 용되게 하래 오늘 제가 지수로 전센디 아주 미인데 버지 디네 디균센데네 삼로 따비네 시란게 버지데샤 제가 디균센데네 아주 링예디 미게게 링예디 계시면 이미지당 딜래야 아니 상쇼게 요와동과디 점불링기 시대당 아니 점불링기 디도당 제가 첨부를 차대야지 임지 도섬시에고야 돼 계시면 주 인사를 삼트니
So these days we say the world is in the information age, and so in this information age, it's like people are all getting closer and closer connections with us, with each other, and so all the people in the world are seeing that they have closer and closer connections with each other, greater mutual connections. These are deeper and stronger connections, and so this is getting clearer, has become very clear to us. And so, in this way, when we think about our own good acts and wrong acts, we think we can see more clearly how they have an effect on the world. We can see that the individual things that we do have a strong. We can see that they are connected to whether good things or bad things, or whether the benefit or the harm of the world, and it is becoming clearer and clearer to us. And so in this way, the good and bad acts of one person are becoming the good and bad of the world. They are really connected to the happiness and the suffering that is in the world. And so, in this way, when we really examine the good and bad that we do, we see that it is becoming even more profound and even more vast. So in these days, in Buddhism, we talk all about, with good people, we talk about the precious human body, the precious human body. We say it's precious, it's sacred, it's precious and important. But many people, when you look at it, you say, how can we say that that humans are actually precious or that they're important or sacred in any way? Because the more and more people there are in the world, the worse things the worse things get in the world. It's a great ruin for the world that there are people. And so when you Buddhists say that people are important, that they're sacred, and yet all the problems in the world come out of people. So how is it that we can say that the human body is precious? And so so it's just that we are. So for this reason, when we think about it, the body, it's actually precious, but we just don't really know how to use it. And because we don't know how to use it, then basically things just aren't really working out as they should. I mean, there's not much else you can really say about it. Fundamentally, what it comes at is in terms of the good and bad. We don't really distinguish between the short term and the long term. We have the ability to be able to distinguish what is good and bad in the long and the short term. We have that ability, but though we have it, we don't really use it, or if we use it, we only use it for selfish purposes. And because of that, that is what the great ruin in this world is coming from. And so that is why there are so many difficulties. Actually, when we think about it, we think about this is something I've said before, but if you think about all of the frightening carnivorous beasts that are out there, lions and tigers and leopards and so forth, if we hear that there's a tiger a few kilometers off, we all get scared about it. But actually, what is it that really is the most scary carnivorous beast in the world? It's humans. Humans are really actually quite terrifying. And so this is something that we need to really think about. We need to understand really that it's because of the good and the bad that people do that really determines how the world on the fundamental level is either has either happiness or peace or happiness in the world. It's very tightly connected with this.
지수롱아디 치남교 돈의 지수롱을 개요만. 나졸리아 베네 심진 大了 쳐와산도 쳐와 노부지 대양 아술민도 애는 대본 노부지 조행 아술 요만에 제상 아주 빡빡 쳐볼 개요만에 오늘 전에 지 wildlife 찍당 아주 오늘 전에 뿜바도니 라자 강가면 증거 주는 증도 말해 이베네 아주 지다 신한 사부스는 자도 년가 사부스는 자도 다들 아주 여기가 레버스는 자도 아주 밀리아 남주지에 되더래 신한 사부래 자신부래 자신부 고가수에다 신남이되어 지어래 신한 사부 임베다 가지고 배주라고 땅을 이미네 신한 사부 시다래 제자 아주 미신한 사부 임베디 칠이요 말 나가려래 제자 나를 아주 요야부 땅 상을 땅 마시비나 아니 아주 신한 사부사리 찬주거래 제자 디준제 되네 양gar 그리돌레인 거라서나 류가 좀 임베지 낭셈 셈리 가르쳐 칸 나도 처원 베스남도 하르디 계신비인데 버르지 요한디 기르성도
And so when we say that people are what are most terrifying, then it's not an external thing. It's not like people have sharp fangs. It's not like we have claws. It's not like we have thick hide or anything like that. We have this very light skin or very thin skin, and if we try to do anything, we're just immediately going to harm ourselves. That is not what is terrifying about humans. What's terrifying about humans, what's dangerous about humans is our intelligence. It's both terrifying and it's also really sacred and precious. It's sacred and precious because it's unlike anything else. But it's terrifying when we don't know how to use it properly. That is when it becomes terrifying. And so it's not a question of the external appearance of things. It's the internal way things are. And so if we don't think about this, if we don't think about the internal things, that's when the people are really terrifying. So when we want to change ourselves, it's not a question of just changing the appearance of our body and speech. It's important for us to turn our minds inward and look inside ourselves.